This is Olivia and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about conventional sources. Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for a long time. So what are the two main conventional energy sources? Firewood and fossil fuels. Firewood. It is widely used for heating and cooking. In India, more than 50% of the energy used by villagers comes from firewood. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuels. Fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the main sources of conventional energy. The resources of these minerals are limited. The rate at which the growing world population is consuming them is far greater than the rate of their formation, so these are likely to be exhausted soon. Coal. This is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines, and to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power. The coal which we're using today was formed millions of years ago, when giant ferns and swamps got buried under the layers of earth. Coal is therefore referred to as buried sunshine. The leading coal producers of the world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France. Petroleum. The petrol that keeps your car running, as well as the oil that keeps a cycle from squeaking, both began as a thick black liquid called petroleum. It is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas. This is then sent to refineries which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastics, and lubricants. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. The chief petroleum producing countries are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. The other major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela, and Algeria. The leading producers in India are Digboi in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai, and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. Natural gas. Natural gas is found in petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Russia, Norway, UK, and the Netherlands are the major producers of natural gas. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna, Godavari, Delta, Tripura, and some areas of shore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. Very few countries in the world have natural gas reserves of their own. The sharp increase in our consumption of fossil fuels has led to their depletion at an alarming rate. The toxic pollutants released from burning these fuels are also a cause of concern. Unchecked burning of fossil fuel is like an unchecked dripping tap which will eventually run dry. This has led to the tapping of various non-conventional sources of energy that are cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels. Tidal power. Rain water or river water stored in dams is made to fall from heights. The falling water flows through pipes inside the dam over the tube-lined blades at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. The water discharged after the generator of electricity is used for irrigation. 1/4 of the world's electricity is produced by tidal power. The leading producers of tidal power in the world are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, and China. Some important tidal power stations in India are Bakra, Nangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjun Sagar, and Damodar Valley projects. Norway was the first country in the world to develop hydroelectricity. Compressed natural gas (CNG) is a popular eco-friendly automobile fuel as it causes less pollution than petroleum and diesel. The word petroleum is derived from Latin words. Petra means rock, oleum means oil. So petroleum means rock oil. Thanks for watching today's video. Stay safe. May God bless you, and thanks.